So I was having problems with my Wi-Fi in the home and didn't understand what to do. So changed my routers, did everything I could. And finally I got this product over here. So this product is from TP-LINK AV600 Powerline. So it's basically a Powerline product, and I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of this product. I just found that TP-LINK products are really good because another thing is I've got a TP-LINK camera, I've got other TP-LINK devices. My router is from TP-LINK, which is the VR 1900, I think so. Anyways, so this video is specifically going to be upon this Powerline starter kit. So when you choose a starter kit, just make sure to get this sort of arrangement where you have one Wi-Fi plug and the other one it connects to the router. So I'm just going to show you quickly what comes in the box. I've already plugged them in, I've already set it up, but we'll see how it can be set up. It's very super simple, it's not complicated at all, and I really recommend you to get this product. So let's get into the product then. On the front, as it shows over here, it shows a picture of this product. This product costed me somewhere around like 40 pounds. I'm roughly around $50 in the US. It says easy Wi-Fi boost. It's not one of the latest ones, but it is one of the really good models out there to buy at the moment. The model number is TL-WPA4220. It's a kit. It's a home plug AV600 Mbps, 300 Mbps Wi-Fi, and Wi-Fi auto sync. Wi-Fi auto sync is very important so that you don't really have to struggle while setting it up. On the right side, it shows you actually how to connect it. So one end of the plug, which is the larger one, you have to connect into the place where your Wi-Fi signal is really poor. And then on the other end you connect it to the router, and you have to press both of the buttons on them. I'll just show you in a minute, and then from there on you can just simply connect it. You should download the app. I would recommend you to scan this QR code and download the app. Yeah, so in the box there is one WPA4220 plug and one TL-WPA4010 plug. And apart from that, you get two Ethernet cables, a quick installation guide, and on the rear it actually shows you, it's quite self-explanatory, but it shows you that how you can set it up. So basically on the other side of the box it just shows you, gives you a bit of specification, and it says that it can run up to 300 meters on your existing wiring. Really convenient product. Really would think that if you guys are thinking to get a Wi-Fi extender, a Powerline extender, then definitely this is the product. So guys, in the box you have these two plugs. So that is the plug which will connect to the remote place wherever you have your dead signals. So on the top it's got a pair button, and here that's the reset button. And then you have two Ethernet ports where you can physically connect any of your devices. On the top, it'll give you the power signal. Then it has another sort of signal which will actually tell you that if your Powerline adapter is working. So it has a mark of a little tiny home over here. And then you have a mark which lights up if you connect any of your devices through Ethernet. And then you have a Wi-Fi mark over here, and that will basically turn up green. And then that is the other plug which will actually connect to the router. So what you have to do is you have to take this plug, and all of the three lights have to be on, and that green, and then it means that it's successfully paired. And all you have to do is connect this to your router, and I'll show you in a bit, and that's it. Within 1 second it should pair up. So let's go ahead and let's check it out physically. So guys, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to basically plug this into the socket. The wire underneath that is coming from the router, so I'm just going to plug that in. Right now you can see that the green has died out, and that means that it's not connected. So with this other plug, I'm going to basically connect it into the wall. So you guys, you can see that the top power button is on. The link from the other device has been successfully made. If it's red, then it means then there is some problem and you need to repair the device. So I press the pair button over there, I press the pair button over here, and then you should have this sort of arrangement, and Wi-Fi is ready to work. So I've installed the TP-LINK software on my mobile app, and it says over here TP-PLC. So if I just fire that up, and in a second it should show up my devices over here. So you guys, now you can see that I'm connected to my Wi-Fi network in my home, and over here I've got these two devices, and it's very simple. All I need to do is I can even just go into any of the device, and I can change the settings, and I can do a firmware update. So that is the device which is connected to the router, which is called the PA4010. Now I don't have any dead areas in my home for Wi-Fi. So this was my video for the TP-LINK 4220 Wi-Fi kit, the Powerline adapter. And what I'm going to do is I'm sitting in the area where I didn't have Wi-Fi previously, and I'm going to open up Google, and I'm just going to do a speed test over here. So that is the speed test I'm doing. So right now I've got 16.4 and 17.9, which is not too bad in terms of the sort of speed I was getting previously, because previously it just didn't work. And I'm really happy for this investment. And I think that, you know, if you guys are struggling with your Wi-Fi, or you've got issues in your home that you can't connect to your phone, or you know your device is not working properly, I really would suggest that just get this Wi-Fi plug and connect it on to the power line. Very simple. I mean, just pair it, simply download the mobile app and just connect it, and there you go. You just clone your Wi-Fi very simply. Okay guys, so this brings an end to my video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up as usual, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'll be having more videos coming out, and catch you in my next video. Bye for now guys.